A DHCP server is used to dynamically assign IP addresses and other configurations to each network device. This is how you can install and configure DHCP server on CentOS Linux. Use this command to install DHCP server on your Linux machine. After installing the DHCP server, you will have to assign a static IP address to your server. In this machine, I have already assigned a dynamic IP address, and now I am going to modify it to use a static IP address. To assign a static IP address, you will have to give a particular IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers if any. Once you have changed the configuration, you can check whether it's working. You can reset your network configuration and try pinging into a site you already know. Before configuring the DHCP server, modify the DHCPD file to use your Ethernet adapter. This is where you can configure your DHCP server. Use this sample to write your configuration file. In that configuration file, modify the given lines: domain name, DNS address, and the range of IP addresses assigned by the DHCP server, broadcast address and the default gateway. You also can add fixed IP addresses based on the MAC addresses of the devices attached into your network. You can change the lease time as well. The purpose of lease time is to limit the time that a client can use an IP address. Once you have done all configurations, you can start your DHCP server using this command. If it's not starting, you can check whether you have done any mistakes in your configuration file. Correct all those mistakes and then restart the DHCP server.